Hey gardeners, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be out here. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and pull some of my teas that I have. I think I'm gonna just harvest some lemon balm, maybe mugwort. I don't know. Rallo has been peeing on my mugwort, so I don't know if I'm gonna actually harvest that or not, because don't nobody want to sip on dog PT. So pretty much I think I'm gonna do my lemongrass. I'm gonna show it to you. My lemon balm, which is here. Ain't she beautiful? She's all thick and pretty and not doing too much yet. She's trying to come over to this side, but that's why I'm gonna harvest it so she don't get too big in this bed, because I know this bed is kind of small. So, and I'm definitely going to harvest some of her. Look at this weed in the middle. Rallo actually loves, it's like that grassy like weed. That ain't help. That ain't do anything. It's this grassy like weed that Rallo actually loves eating. He can't reach it up here though, but anyway. Yeah, I'm going to harvest some of this because that's getting kind of crazy. And I want to go ahead and take care of that. And what else I want to harvest? Maybe some herbs. Maybe some herbs, y'all. And maybe some of this porcelain. I might go ahead and pull some of that up. But I don't know. I think I'm going to leave the herbs alone. I can go ahead and do some of the basil. It's flowering. I keep trying to pull it off. The part that's flowering. I know most of y'all already know this, but if you don't, if your basil starts flowering, all you got to do is just pinch the top off the part that's trying to flower, and then it'll start focusing more on building the leaves instead of going to flower. So look at this little group of tomatoes growing here. That's cute. Okay, off topic. But anyway, yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna do today is just do the lemon balm, doing the lemongrass. I don't know how to harvest stevia yet. I need to look it up. I keep saying when I'm gonna go to the house, look up how to harvest stevia, but I just haven't done so yet. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get to harvesting. Okay, so find something to use to harvest the stuff in. I think I'm gonna use this basket that's back here. Hubby actually made this little harvesting basket. I don't know if I call it a basket. It's not really in the shape of a basket. Hold on, y'all, I'm making a mess. Hello. Yeah. Hey, fam.
Thanks for getting me.
You're welcome, babe. You look beautiful.
Yeah, thanks.
So, yeah, it's not really in a basket. More, but I don't know what that is. Oh, that's just old stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use this to cut everything and put everything on it. It's hot out here too, y'all. It is June 20th, 2026, my birthday. Shout out to the summer Geminis. Happy birthday, me. But yeah, it's like 90 degrees out here, so it's hot. I'm gonna try to do what I can and just go from there. Got my shears and mosquito spray, because these mosquitoes do not play in South Carolina.
Move, Rollo. Move.
Ain't none in here.
Ran out of that too?
Where? Run out of all this stuff just to still get big.
That's why we ain't got nothing, goddamn.
You gotta stay protected. You need some? Okay. Too good in the sun. He's definitely an inside dog. Look at his little shade. You cute boy. You cute, Rallo. Then the family over there under the umbrella. That's my birthday gift. The umbrella. It's nice.
Thanks for getting me again, baby.
Welcome, babe. Yeah, tell babe.
Putting the camera on me with my hair like that.
Tell babe he looks beautiful with his hair like that. Ain't nothing wrong with him. I been told him to get his hair done. Oh, oh. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do for now. And this is what I got over here. I don't want to do too much at one time because when I have a lot of stuff to harvest at one time, I start getting overwhelmed. So just a little bit. All right, let's see what else we can get. Look at my baby over here eating her popsicle. Yeah? I see your popsicle. I see. Yeah, is it good? Hold on, Daddy going to get you a paper towel.
What?
Yeah. Now she want cookie. Mmm, Grandma's peanut butter cookie. Yum, girl. Yum, 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 yum. I'm the only one in the sun today. I'm usually always the only one in the sun. Grandma cookies. This is what I have of the lemongrass. I'm gonna try to tie it up like Denzel's mom did one time before she made us some lemongrass tea. She tied them up. I'm gonna try that. We'll see. I'm trying to tell you, every time I do an experiment, it comes out crazy the first time, but you just gotta keep trying. Okay. So lemongrass has been cut down. Lemon balm. What else do I want to do? What else I said I'm gonna do? Oh, some basil. You think I should harvest some purslane?
Yeah,
How we gonna process it?
it need to be dried out.
So you need to ask your mom first before we harvest it? He thinking it takes a minute.
I'm sure we can do something with it.
I don't want to pull it and it just be sitting. We'll talk about it. Okay, let's just do basil for now. It's a bee on it right now. I don't want to harvest it while the bee is doing this thing. The bees is working. I'm gonna let the bees work today. Okay, I'm gonna leave the basil alone. Let the bees just do what it needs to do. I'm hot. I told y'all I don't know how long I was gonna be out here today, and I'm already super hot. I just got back from a workout class and just took a shower, and now I'm gonna need another one. So I think I'm gonna just go with the lemon balm and the lemongrass for today, and kind of experiment with the lemongrass and see what I can do with it. And then we'll talk about the purslane and how we want to process that. If we want to dry it out, last year, like he said, we made a powder out of it. We let his mom freeze dry it and made a powder out of it. But this year, I don't know if we want to do that same thing or process it a different way. So we'll just talk about that and see what happens. Plus, if we're going to use his mom's freeze dryer, we got to ask. We can't just pull up and just do it. I think that's rude. So I think we should ask first. So yeah, I'm going to just do the lemon balm and go from there.
I need something cold. I can put it right there. In front of the fan.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine.
The lemon balm is done. See what I got. It's a good bit in there, so we're gonna let that dry out in my little plastic bag. Look at that. They said it's too big, so I'm gonna have him come make a small one. Come make a small one. Yeah. Bella, back up. You think nobody watching you? Mm-hmm.
Lemongrass balm.
Lemongrass balm. Yeah, yours super thick.
How tight?
I don't know. I can just tucking it in. If y'all know a better way to do this, comment down, please.
They gonna fry us in the comments. What are y'all doing?
What is that? Hold that up. Which one look better? Mine look better than that. That look like a little lemongrass cocoon.
It
It's
is.
cute though, babe. You tied it or
Now watch this. Watch this. Look.
what? And look at my first one. My second one was ugly. Don't look at that.
That one look good.
But this first one came out nice.
All right, now redo
It's
mine.
super big though.
I couldn't tie it.
I know. It's hard. Especially when you cut it short. Okay, we'll figure it out. Alright, I am done with the lemongrass. I just did a few more rolls in here. A few more. They're super huge, but it's a start.
Look at what Isabel's doing.
Oh, Billy. Look at you. She like, I drew that. So yeah, the lemon grass is done and ready to dry out, and also the lemon balm. Let me write the name.